Hello everyone, it's Pam here from Bankery Library. Are you having fun with the summer reading challenge? This week's theme is try something new. I've really enjoyed listening to the birds over the last few months, so I've decided to learn more about them. I've been making some special bird food for them to encourage them to my garden, and I've been learning about the birds that come too. I made some food and I put it close to my kitchen window so I could watch the birds without disturbing them. I also took a few photos of them. I'll show you and you can try to identify the birds. So here's some of my bird food. The first one is an apple and it's on twigs so the birds can stand on it, and I've put some seeds in it. So I got 2 twigs and I tied them together with string, and then I've taken the middle out of the apple and I've put string through to tie the twigs on, and then I've pushed some seeds into the apple. The birds will love this one. And I bet you can have fun putting your seeds in too, because you can make a really nice pattern with your seeds. So that's the first one. I've also made this one. So this, I got some garden wire and I've threaded onto it some apples, some cheese and some raisins. And then when it's nearly full, I've twisted the wire together and I've tied some string to hang it up with, so you could hang it on a tree and then the birds could eat that. That's another feast for the birds. And then I've made one more. This one, the birds will love this one. This was messy to make, but it was fun. So I got a bowl, and into the bowl I've grated some apple. I've got some lard, some raisins. I grated some cheese and I added some seeds too. Then I squished it all together and I've made a bowl for them, which I'm sure they'll love. So I hope you try these too. It's really nice to watch the birds in the garden, and this activity will count towards your summer reading challenge too. So have fun, and I'll be back soon with some more fun activities for you.